Hey friends, it's me, Shane. I'm halfway on the trail here and I'm picking up all kinds of trash, but I just noticed right beside the trail this little beauty, little whitetail, right on the edge of the trail. And anything that we leave out there poses a threat to this beautiful baby. She could eat your gum that you leave on, your Starburst, your Skittles, your candy, whatever it might be. It poses a danger to their health. Not just the deer, but the raccoons, the squirrels, the chipmunks, the birds. It's so important that we leave no trace whatsoever. And if you can, don't even leave a footprint.